This is the PWM timer Prescaler and period solver for Arduino and STM32, which calculates the optimal timer settings to achieve your desired PWM frequency. Let's look at the inputs. First, we have a timer resolution dropdown, where you can select between 8-bit, which gives you values from 0 to 255, or 16-bit, which gives you values from 0 to 65535. For this demo, I'm using 16-bit. Next, enter your clock frequency in Hertz. This is your microcontroller's timer clock speed. Finally, enter your desired PWM frequency in Hertz, the frequency you want your PWM signal to run at. Here's a practical example. With a clock frequency of 1600,000 Hz and a desired PWM frequency of 1000 Hz, click Calculate PWM Parameters. The calculator gives us a Prescaler value of 1, meaning no prescaling is needed. The period register ARR value is 15999, which is what you'll load into your timer's auto-reload register. The actual PWM frequency is exactly 1000 Hz, matching our target perfectly. The duty cycle resolution of 16,000 tells us we have 16,000 discrete steps for setting duty cycle. The frequency error is 0.000, confirming perfect accuracy. This tool eliminates the guesswork in timer configuration. Find the link in the description below.